Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Family Link parent control tutorial step by step clearly. To set up Google Family Link, start by downloading the Family Link app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your device. Once downloaded, open the app and tap Get Started. You will need to sign in with your Google account to proceed. Next, select This is my child to create an account for your child. If your child already has a Google account, select This is my child and sign in with their credentials. If your child does not have an account, you will be prompted to create a new one. Follow the on-screen instructions to input your child's information and set up their account. After creating the account, you'll receive a unique code that you will need to enter on your child's device. Now, turn to your child's device and download the Family Link app. Open the app on your child's device and select Get Started. Sign in with the Google account you just created for your child. Once signed in, enter the unique code you received earlier from your device. The app will then set up the connection between your account and your child's account. Now, you can customize settings such as screen time limits, app approvals, and content restrictions. To set daily screen time limits, navigate to the Manage Settings section in the app. Select Screen Time and choose the device you want to manage. Here you can set daily limits and bedtime settings. To approve apps, go to Manage Settings and then select Apps. You can see what apps your child has and approve or block any as needed. For content restrictions, navigate to Manage Settings and then select Content Restrictions. You can choose to restrict apps, games, and movies based on age ratings. Regularly check in with your child to discuss and review the settings you have established. Encourage open communication about their app usage and online safety. With Family Link, you can help ensure a safe and balanced digital experience for your child. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.